Today's show is sponsored by Hacienda, located at 889 North Gospel Street, Paoli, Indiana. For more information, contact them at 812-723-0945. Today
Good morning, I'm Audrey, and this is your PHS News Today for Monday, October 28th. Sign up for intramural dodgeball outside of Mr. Cole and Miss Huddleston's rooms. Sign-ups will end November 1st. Games will be played on Monday, November 4th, starting at 6:30. Check out what the cafeteria is serving up today. In honor of football advancing in sectionals, we will be having dress-up days this week. Today is PJ Day, tomorrow is Holiday Day, Wednesday is Beach Day, Thursday is Halloween costume, and Friday is Bold Purple and Gold. And now to Adin with your weather report.
Thank you, Audrey. Looking at the radar today, we can see that there is no chance of rain today or later in your week. Today we have a high of 67 and a low of 49. Tomorrow we have a high of 65 and a low of 48, and then on Wednesday we have a high of 61 and a low of 52. Back to you.
I'm Audrey, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a fantastic day.